Yes, I also have with me Brinda DK. Brinda, such an unfortunate incident. It is unfortunate, even worse, that these incidents continue to take place on our roads on an everyday basis. These number of accidents, fatalities that are also reported have increased manifold. But here, talking about the specifics of this case, what do you gauge what may have happened? It also, we have also gotten to know, as my colleague was speaking to the additional DCP over there, the Deputy Commissioner of Police. He has mentioned specifically that there were I think the 5 people who were inside the car. The car has toppled, it has turned over, it has gone turtle, and there were minor injuries that the woman who has allegedly killed the man in this case of rash driving. She has gotten minor injuries. The son did not know until the last moment that she was admitted to the same hospital, New Life, as both the father and the mother were, and when he inquired the same from the woman's husband and the father-in-law, he says that he was told that the woman is disappeared, she is not here. And later on he got to know, after a significant amount of time had passed, that the woman, the culprit, the accused, was in fact in the very same hospital getting her injuries addressed.
This entire case and everything that the culprit did after the accident reeks of impunity, indifference, and total lack of empathy. The arrogance that we see in somebody like her. Now, there was so much of mention of a BMW. We've seen these kind of drivers, the BMW drivers, they could be owners or the drivers. There is a certain amount of high-handedness that they practice on all roads across India. Nothing different with this woman also. If you see a two-wheeler or a smaller car or even somebody walking, there is no regard, no respect. They don't follow any rules as such because they are big cars. And for a long time also, police do not take these things into consideration. In the case that you are mentioning over here, there was no need for this woman to go all the way there. We have all been told, so many advertisements and public interest information comes, that if there is anybody who has met with an accident or you yourself might have caused the accident, take the person to the nearest hospital. Because the quicker you take the person, the easier it is to take care of the injuries that might be, saving lives also. Here, it is culpable homicide. But she has also gone further to, according to me, wipe out if there is any evidence that might come out in the future. So she's gone all the way to her father's hospital where she thought that she could, close off this case, hide it, and not necessarily bring it to the notice of anybody. Unfortunately, the person died, and so everything is out now. And you said that she was getting treated in the same hospital.
Yeah. And the boy did not know.
Taken the person there.
Yeah,
what is the guarantee that first preference was given to the one seriously injured? They would not have done it.
Yeah.
So she got herself treated and not necessarily the person whom she caused the accident to.